everyone. In this last part of our video series, we will take a look at what was actually happening inside the solutions of our experiment. Remember we said that osmosis works because molecules in high concentration solutions move to solutions with a low concentration. The membrane allows for this movement, but some molecules in solutions move more easily across certain membranes. Salt moves very easily across a membrane. It also attaches easily to water molecules, so it brings water with it when it moves. This has a lot of benefits when it comes to keeping us hydrated. When you play sports, exercise a lot, or spend a lot of time outside on a hot day, you sweat and your body loses a lot of fluids. In these cases, drinking water might not be enough, so you might turn to drinks with electrolytes, a type of salt, to help replenish your cells with the water and hydration they need. The salts in the fluid help carry the water across the membrane and into the cell. But too much salt in your diet can be a bad thing. Excess salt may continue to move across the membrane, bringing more water with it to maintain a balanced solution concentration on both sides of the membrane. This can cause an overall bloated feeling and make it difficult for your cells to perform their regular duties. Just like salt, sugar is necessary for our cells as well, but sugar has a harder time moving across the membrane. It requires a helper or a buddy to get it across the membrane. This buddy is known as insulin. Insulin is a hormone or chemical produced by our body to aid in moving sugar molecules across the cell membrane. It signals to the cell membrane that the sugar molecule is okay to enter. Without insulin, the sugar cannot enter into the cells where it is needed to create energy. The body will make just enough insulin to get just the right amount of sugar across to meet the energy needs of the cell. Any extra sugar left in the body gets stored in special fat cells to be used later. In our experiment, there was no insulin present, so the sugar could not move across the membrane. In fact, based on our data, it appears that the sugar actually prevented some water from moving into the egg. This is evident because the control egg, the egg sitting in just water, gained 4 grams, while the egg sitting in sugar water only gained 3 grams. The sugar actually caused the egg to experience slight dehydration. This is why we often feel thirsty when we are consuming sugary treats, including sodas.